There's Gov's truck. There's Gov. Look at it, Gov's truck. Look at Gov's truck. Poor truck isn't going to see the light of day for weeks.
Somewhere under there is a container, a cylinder of LP, of natural gas for the grill.
Oh, it's buried under the snow.
Yes.
And our grill's buried under the snow, so.
It's perfect. You
can still see our neighbors, though.
Hi, neighbor!
Driveway we dug out of yesterday, 2 days ago. Buried again.
Close neighbors.
And there's our firewood. Nice place for firewood.
Yes, it's perfect.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's all.
Yep. Oh, look at the trees blowing. It is windy. Okay, back inside.